What's up, everybody? This is Sweet Fishing. How's everyone doing today? So today, all we're gonna do today is just gonna show you, my fish tanks and everything and stuff like that. I just woke up, to be honest with you. Um, the first thing I'm gonna show you is my platies. I have platies and one beta fish. It's a female. She's a baby female beta. She's cute, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just gonna show you my tank, and then I have a 55 gallon that I gotta clean, which I'm doing. So I'll show you guys that, like me cleaning it and me putting the fish in and everything like that, and leveling everything out. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my tank. This is my first video, so don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below if you like this video. So the first tank is actually the molly fish tank, which is platies, and like I said, one beta. So if you check this out, there's my molly's male, female. She's pregnant. The black female is pregnant, I can't speak. And I also got a female Dalmatian. She's also pretty and beautiful, not pregnant. I'm waiting for her to get pregnant. But the black one's pregnant. The male and her are mating. There's my beta. She's so beautiful and cute and amazing. She's so beautiful and all. Oh, she left. I have two red mollies, but they're in there. They're in there in that plant. But yeah, so two of them, actually I have three, two red mollies, and then I have another one. It's like a blue, lightish blue and black. His name is Mr. Nibbles. But he's in there. No, in that plant. That's like the favorite like hiding spot. I don't know why, but I don't know. You know how you feel. And I also have my 40 gallon, 30 gallon fish tank. In this tank I have goldfish. I'm a goldfish type of person. Oh look, let me check this out. Look, one of the red ones come out. There she goes. That's the female. She's in that back corner right there. Let me see if I can get a good look for you guys. There she is. She's beautiful. She's I think she is pregnant. She's beautiful, guys. But in this tank, in the 40 gallon, I have goldfish, butterfly koi fish. The butterfly koi fish is maybe 9 to 10 inches, maybe 8. I have a shark. I forgot. I think it's like a Dessa shark or something like that. I forgot the name of it. I bought him like 2-3 weeks ago. He's a little guy. He actually grew a little bit. I have a gourami in here, and I also have a pleco. He really doesn't like showing his face. Well, let me show you guys my goldfish real quick. So there's my butterfly koi fish. There's my shark. He loves being on the camera. Little spoiled brat. So is him. He's everything. I call him Bob. That's actually a baby goldfish. I bought him when he was a little baby. Now he's growing. So is that white one. There's the gourami. My koi fish, like I said. I have two koi fish. One is kind of sick. There's my shark. So he's in a separate tank. The pleco's kind of back there behind that purple plant. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hiding in there. He's like about 9 to 8 inches, I'll say. But comment below if you guys know what's wrong with my fish. I have a koi fish. Just regular koi fish. It's not a butterfly. It's a regular koi fish. Um, he wind up sick. He on one side of his body, it's all white, and I'm doing anything I can for him to, get better so he can be with his, the rest of his buddies. You know what I mean? But he's sick. Um, I'm trying to help him. But I don't, like, I'm trying my best to help and everything, and he's just getting worse. Um, I gave him fungus medicine. I gave him this. And I gave him like all these other types of medicine. The only one I haven't gave him, I think it's called ammonia tablets or something like that. Um, I don't know if he has that, but here, watch. Let me show you what he looks like. Let me just find him. I have him in this bucket. Oh, there he is. Found him. He's a beautiful fish. I love him, but oh, he just splashed the fuck out of me. I'm sorry for my language. He likes doing that to me. He's been really pissed off because he's sick, and he's been oh crap. He's been splashing me lately. I don't know why. I take his his new thing. So as you guys can see, yeah. Ow. Little punk. Don't worry, I'm not hitting him. I'm not squeezing him hard. He's just really upset with me. But it looks like he's actually getting his color back because all this was red. But I think he's actually getting better. But I don't know if you guys can see that white right there on his tail. Let me see if I can get him again so you guys can see it a little better. Now I have to clean up my floor. And he also has white on the top. Calm, calm down. But see how his tail is? His tail is so messed up. But he's actually gotten better. Now I gotta clean the floor. But he was all white, like he wasn't like that now. He's actually getting better, but on the whole white, the right side or the left side, one of those sides, it was like just completely white. It was getting bad. He wasn't swimming. Like right now, he's not swimming on the top like usual. Oh, there he is. I guess that medicine that I gave him, I guess it's working, which is that one right there. I just try to do my best, because I love fish. I love fish. They're, I think it's beautiful and amazing how fish are and how peaceful it is, And I care about my fish. I do. I care about every single one of my fish. And I'll do anything to help them out, And like I said, he was really sick. I guess it's getting better. I guess it just takes time. I mean, I know it takes time, but it's been like a month that he was all like that, and I guess I kind of forgot about him for like a week, and he's been doing better, which is good. That's really good. Pretty soon he'll be back with his other buddy, Koi. He really missed him, and so has him. He's been depressed because his buddy's in that bucket. But pretty soon they'll get to be together again and everything. I want to get more koi fish. I want to try and get a pond for my backyard. A pool pond. Just I'm kind of short on money right now, but I'm trying my best to make that happen for you guys and my subscribers. And I'm just trying to do that, you feel? But yeah, those are my fish, and now I'm gonna show you my 55. And with this tank, comment below what should I put in this tank, because I'm gonna put something in here. I don't know what, but comment below what to put in here and I'll get it. when I have the money. So comment below, like below if you like this channel, and what should I put in this tank, and if I should get a pond in my backyard. So here's my 55 gallon side of Bushcraft. This is my 55 gallon aquarium. There's my fish. I'm not gonna show you my fish. I'm gonna show you the plants. There's my plants, my air pump, well that gives oxygen. Air pump, 2 heaters, 1 pump. I did had 2, but one of them, I guess I stopped working. It was really old and it just gave out, you know. So I'm just saving money so I can buy me a new filter. I found one that's like maybe 30 bucks, not bad. 11 bucks, 20 bucks. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna level out the rocks, make it decent instead of all like this, and then from there fill it up, put those plants in there. Ooh, come back this way. Put those plants, those rocks that I showed you, I'm gonna put them in here, make it look decent, and throw my fish in there. When I throw my fish, I'll show you what they are. But like I said before, I care about my fish. I love my fish, and I'll do anything to keep my fish healthy and happy in any shape or way. I hope you guys like this video. I really do. Like I said, subscribe, like below, comment below if you like this, and what I should get for that tank, and whatever fish I should get for this 55 gallon that will go with my fish that I'm about to show you after I'm done filling it up, getting it the same temperature. So comment below what I should buy for that tank and for this tank. And if you like this show, if you like this video. So right now I'm gonna put you guys right here. Like I said, I really do hope you guys like this. Oh God, I'm gonna break that. I really hope you guys like this. It's my first time doing a YouTube. I always wanted to do a YouTube about my fish and buying fish and buying fish for the pond, building a pond. You know, I want to do a shout out to 2 people. No, 3 people. Do a little shout out real quick. You know, I always wanted to be like someone that I've always been watching on YouTube. You guys might heard of him. I want to shout out to Paul Cafaro. I like your shows, brother. I really do. I like your ponds. I hope one day I can have a pond just like you, man. But I love your work. I love your fish. I love what you like to do. That's me, you know. I just want to be like you, and that's what I'm trying to do. Like, not, you know what I mean. Like, I just want to be like you, like what you're doing. You know, buying fish, buying aquariums, building ponds, putting new fish in the pond. You know, that's what I always wanted to do when I was a little kid. You know, and that's what I'm gonna do. But like I said, I want to do a little shout out for you, man. I like your shows. I like everything, man. I like your videos. They're good, man. Keep it up. Keep the good work, man. I appreciate it for keeping me up, man. Like keeping me like elevated and kept going and do what I love doing, which is, you know, fish. This is what I love doing. Another shout out to Raw Fishing, man. I like your videos too, brother. I do. I hope one day I can meet you, Raw Fishing, and I hope I can meet you, Paul Confero. I hope I can meet you guys someday. You guys are like my biggest fan. You guys really are. Just keep up the good work. Don't let the negativity get to you guys. Keep the positive, man. You guys too. You guys, all his fans for Paul Confero and Raw Fishing. Keep you guys' positive up, man. Don't listen to what anybody says. If you like doing this, then do it. Do what you love doing. You know what I mean? I just want to do a shout out for you guys, and another shout out to Catch 'em All. You know, I love your shows too, brother. I love you guys' ponds. Your pond too, man. I hope I can meet you guys one day. I hope I can meet you. Catch them all. I hope I can meet you. I like your videos too, Bill. I like your pond. I like your bass. And I like your koi fish, man, and your goldfish and stuff like that, and your cichlids. And I like blob. But, you know, I hope I can meet you. Catch them all, and I hope I can meet you raw fishing, and I hope I can meet you too, Paul Cafaro. I love you guys' shows. Keep it up. Keep the positivity up, man. Don't let no negativity get into, you know what I mean, like I said. But I hope Paul Cafaro, all his fans that come and watch my shows, or anybody that's heard of him, please tell him to come to this video so he can see what I'm telling him. Please do that. But like I said, Paul Cafaro, raw fishing, and catch them all. Keep up the good work, brother. I appreciate it. I hope you guys see this video. I really hope you guys do raw fishing and catch them all, and Paul Cafaro. I hope you guys see my video, and I hope you guys like it. And I hope one day I can meet you guys. I really hope so, man. I hope I can just go and visit you guys, or you guys come visit me, and you know, just kind of like, you know, I hope we can be friends. You know, I hope we can be family. You know what I mean? You guys are like my biggest fan. I always want being part of you guys' video. You know, that's what like I always wanted to be. But like I said, keep up the good work, man. I'm 17, man. I'm about to be 18. But like I said, guys, just keep up the good work. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment below. Like I said, what should I get for that fish tank, and what I should get for this fish tank that goes along with my other fish that I'm about to show you. And please, guys, if you guys see this video, tell Paul Cafaro, catch them all fishing and raw fishing to come and check out this video, man. I hope they like it. Just like I said, guys, just keep it up, man. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So now I'm gonna get into this. Enough talking, and do this so I can get it done. Whoo! And down that pipe. Oh God. Go down there. Chingo. Alright, one down. Let's close it. Sorry about the noise. I was closing my window. It's getting hot in here. So I'm gonna take out these rocks. I totally forgot to take out these rocks. Take out these big rocks real quick. I think that's it. No biggie. Alright, start leveling this. But like I said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope raw fishing catch them all. And Paul Cafaro see this video. Like I said, show them the, tell them to come check out my video and see what they think. Let's see. You know what? I might be hard to take off short. Let's So guys, I have to, I'm kind of picky with how I want my gravel to be. I bet you all of you guys are picky about that too. Like how you guys want your gravel and shit and stuff, you know what I mean? Sorry about my cussing, I apologize. You know, I gotta show manners for the kids that watch this. I apologize. I like to clean the glass with a towel because when I do that, it makes the tank so clear, so beautiful. You can see the fish better. I know you guys just clean it, take out like all the water, do a 50-50, but I like taking all the water, cleaning the glass, putting it back in, let it get the temperature, toss the fish in, shaboom, you know what I mean? I mean, I know you guys do it different. I do it different, do it this way. Everybody has their separate ways, you know what I mean? But this is how I do it. The reason I'm doing taking out, I usually do 50-50, but I've been working lately, so I never had the time to clean my tanks, and I finally got to have a chance to clean this, so I thought, you know what, might as well just take all the water, clean it right, and just, you know, make it look nice for my viewers, for my favorite people that watch my shows, my videos. You know what I mean? But I hope you guys like this video. I really hope so. It's my first time. I just noticed I did one side higher than the other. Son of a G. And you better realize what you did wrong. You like this and stuff. See, there's like a little circle dot on my damn fish tank. Oh, on my fish tank. Sorry about that. By my nephew. I'm an uncle. And my nephew spent the night yesterday, and he's with my mom right now. But yeah, he likes putting stuff in his tank sometimes. But he only does that when I'm not here. But lately he's been doing good or not doing that. Thank God. Because the last time he did that, he put 2 cans of Coke in my fish tank and he killed all my fish. I wasn't happy about that. But, I mean, they're kids, man. I mean, like, what can you do, you know what I mean? Making sure my fish are alive, because I heard about these type of fish, they like to play dead, and mine like to do that a lot, and I hate it when they do that. I really do. I like to clean the outside of my tank too. keep it 100. Here's that spot. I like to make sure it's nice and clean, guys. That's how I like my things. I'm about to fall. Like, to be honest with you guys, I like keeping my fish tanks clean. I really do. Especially my glass, because it's gonna get like that. See, my mom got this from her friend, so it was ready like this. I'm gonna buy one that's brand new, and it's like 160 at least, until I get a pond for these guys and for my koi fish and my platies. But I think that's the best I can do with this glass right now, because that's not coming up. It's pissing me off. Let's see. See if I can shoot off this. Oh, guess not. Whereas I did that circle, and it's gonna be bothering me for the rest of my life. I don't know how that circle got there, but now it's time to put the plants and the rocks and everything back in. So let's do this big boy first. But I like to keep my fish happy. If they're happy, I'm happy. Keeping that right there. You know, making it look nice and pretty. You guys know about that life or what? Okay. See? Like he just put a toy in my fish tank. I very saw that. How that is. Please be fixed. There we go. A little up, please. Thank you. Okay. So let's see. Like that. This side low. Water is at low. Gotta make it the same level. Ow. You know what? That's the best I'm gonna get it. Okay. Bought this at Walmart. It's like 99 cents or $1. Let's see. Where should I put this big fella? I know boas are coming out, so I'm just gonna see where I'm gonna put it. Maybe in there. Maybe like that. Maybe like this. Let's see. Maybe something like that. I don't like it like that. We gotta get it like that. What? It doesn't do me. I don't like it. It's hot, I'll tell you that. It's hot in here. I'm gonna have to turn on the air conditioner here in a bit. Let's see. Excuse me. I like it over there. I don't know why. Let's do it here, how it was before. Ciao. Ciao. These little rocks came with the fish tank when I got it. So you know what, I'm just gonna do a little decorating. You know what I mean? Why not? Just go like that. Just have little rocks over here now. Maybe one right here. There we go. Maybe we should bring this up a little bit. Then a little bit. Up a little bit. Then, let's see. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna fill it up first and then get my hands in. Because for this I gotta. So I'm gonna pour that water in. So I'll be right back. So now we're gonna fill up this tank right about right now. Me personally, when I do this type of things, that's one thing I didn't want. That usually never happens, but it happened anyway. My goals. I hate when it does that shit to me. It gets stuck and you have to put force, and when you put force, it doesn't go well. So now after just clean the whole glass, what I like to do is do that so it won't splash anywhere. I like to wipe the glass when I'm doing this too. So when I do it, it won't look so ugly. And I'll do the best I can to wipe before it fills up where I can't wipe no more. I better hurry though, because it's about to get filled up. Really, I gotta fix that now. Again. So I cleaned that. Now I gotta fix this stupid thing. What did I do with it? Now I gotta pick this up. Everything's breaking on me today. Swear to Jesus. Everything's just coming off. It's kind of pissing me off. I like it straight. I hate it when it's crooked. Let me see how it looks. Ciao! I'll wait. Make it spread out. You know what? That's the closest I'm gonna get it for now. Good. Let the bubbles go out. Cover it up. Fix the gravel now, because it all moved everywhere. Doesn't look nice anymore. I gotta fix it. So what I like to do now is plug these back in quick. My head is being stupid right now. Whew. Now I just have to fix this stupid here. Because now it doesn't want to stay how I want it. Put some water in that filter. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, perfect flow. Kind of looks kind of froggy. Let it clear up, let the filter start running for a little bit. Clean this top off. What I like to do is wipe around all the water that splashed, or by any chance it did. Go around, clean. If you guys have any questions about fish or about anything about fish, as I'm burning, let me know. I'll be right back. I like to use this that I showed you guys. I'm going to put it in here, so if any fins or any damage or any scales are damaged, anything that's damaged on the fish, this will heal it. Sorry about that, I have a little cold. Let that flow mix it up for me. Let it spread. On this side, of course, mix it with my finger. I'll do the same thing on this side, why not? Fill it up a little bit more. It's not on the line. It's kind of short on the bottom. It's like right here. I don't know what you guys see on here. So when this gets the right temperature, let everything settle. Move this around a little bit. What I like to do is use the ends on these, make the gobble nice and straight. I mean, not straight, but you know what I mean by there. I hope these fish that I'm about to show you, I hope they get massive, because that's what I always wanted. And I hope my koi fish and my goldfish will get massive also, and show as the Ardessa shark, I think. If I didn't name it right, please comment below and tell me the right name. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but if I'm not, please comment below and everything. Ooh, the plants are falling apart. Oh no, that's grass. See, like me, what I like to do when I see grass fall, like swimming around because of the water hose, I like to scoop it up. Scoop anything that is from the water hose. Just start scooping back and forth. Whatever that I miss from that filter or from that pipe, not the pipe, I forgot the name of it. I know about fish, I really do. I know everything about fish. It's just today I'm really sick. I'm not feeling it. I can't think today, guys. I'm trying my best. Bear with me. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really do. Comment below when I show you my fish that I'm going to put in here, if I should get one more, and if I should get any type of cichlid to go with it. If there's any cichlid that you guys want, want in here with this type of fish I'm about to show you in a bit, comment below also, please. I really appreciate it. I don't think this is fun. I don't like it how it floats up like that. I don't like it when it does that. I know there's supposed to be like sticky things on the back so it won't do that, but my mom, when me and my mom moved into this new house, she lost it. Cause she was the one that was getting all the stuff for the fish and the fish tank for me when I was at work, and she got all the stuff and she kind of lost a couple of things. So I'm sorry. I know this is, I think, a long video, but I hope you guys do like it, and I hope you guys like my fish, and I hope you guys, you know, like I said, like this video. Like I said, please subscribe, like, turn on the notifications if you guys want to see more videos. My birthday's coming up, guys. I'm gonna be 18 in October 16th. So when I get money for my birthday, if you guys want me to buy a fish, comment below what type of fish, and I'll buy it, and I'll put it in this tank. Cause this tank is gonna be for a predator tank. But if you guys want me to buy a fish, you know, for this tank that goes along with this fish, or if these fish is probably in the pond, that if I ever buy one, or if I ever buy a pool pond, or a pool, swimming pool, but turn into a pond, and these guys are in there already, then let me know what to put in here. I will put it in here. Any fish that you guys want me to buy, I will stick it in here. But if it's a goldfish and platies, they'll be over there in that room. They'll be over there in my room. For the platies and goldfish, will be over there. But if it's gonna be like a predator, like for example, cichlids and catfish, and I think it's a desert shark, I think, or arowana. If it's gonna be an arowana or a red-tailed catfish, I'm gonna have to order it, because where I live, they don't have it here. I don't think. But if they do, and if I'm just not at the right pet store, and if I find one, I will buy it. Guarantee you, I will. If they have that in arowana. But if they don't have it here where I live, then I will order it, and I will put it in this tank. But like I said, like, subscribe, comment below, turn on your notifications if you guys like this. And like I said, what type of fish you guys want to put in this tank, or my goldfish tank, or my platy fish tank, please let me know. I know for sure I'm gonna buy me another pleco, so I can put it in this tank with these guys, because I do have a pleco, but it's over there with the goldfish, because you know how bad they poop a lot and make a little mess. But like I said, there's gonna be a goldfish, a platies, be over there. But if it, like I said, if it's gonna be like cichlids and catfish, arowanas, all that type of stuff, pacu, whatever, or I want to get me a bass, a big mouth bass. So if you guys want me to get those type of things, I will put it in here. I will. Just like I said, comment below what fish you guys want me to get for this tank and for that one that shows you, that little 40 gallon or 30 gallon, 20 gallon, whatever it is. Just let me know. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. I'm gonna go eat real quick, get a little refreshing, let this warm up a little bit, and I'll get back to you when I'm done.